Power. It's what drives America forward. But in recent decades, America's power grid and infrastructure have come under increasing challenge in three key areas. Asset renewal. The electric grid is aging. Much of it dates to the 60s. For example, many transformers are 50 years old or older. Utilities are also constrained by limited space and confined to existing right-of-ways. Grid modernization. Thanks to small-scale solar and other developments, the need for smart grid technology is growing daily. Utilities need to integrate renewables and distributed energy resources, including distributed solar and smart inverters. An expanded focus on reliability and resiliency demands the capability to locate, isolate, and recover from problems much more quickly and efficiently. Electric providers are tasked with critical infrastructure protection to ensure cyber and physical security. Maintaining operational excellence. Regulatory requirements and operations and maintenance needs have increased, but budgets haven't kept pace. An aging workforce means skilled personnel are becoming harder to find and keep. And power companies bear the burden of compliance, which is important for ongoing operations. And the biggest challenge of all, utilities need to tackle all of these issues with limited resources. Fortunately, Ulteig is a proven infrastructure partner, working with progressive power companies to overcome these challenges with integrated, expert solutions that produce exceptional results. Ulteig's service offering is organized around 6 essential disciplines: design and engineering, including substation, transmission, and distribution; planning, such as static and dynamic analyses considering future growth; studies that focus on generation, substation, transmission, and distribution; multiple management options, including program, project, and construction management; environmental, compliance, permitting, and agency coordination; and field services, including survey, right-of-way, testing and commissioning, and geographic information services. Ulteig identifies your critical needs. We work in partnership with you to manage the challenges you face by developing a holistic strategy, optimizing resources, and creating integrated solutions that build, support, and sustain infrastructure vital to everyday life. These solutions span the lifeline sectors of power, renewables, transportation, and water. Ulteig, we listen, we solve.